Welcome back to the Chairman Television Station, Wazobia Max UHF 57, Lagos, Port Harcourt, Abuja, Wazobia TV, channel 98 on top of Go TV cable. Ezugu Chukudi Unkubi there inside studio and we discuss the NLC versus federal government, strike or no strike. Then we go bring everything down because we're not going to say from the start, the plenty fire come inside the whole situation. We get Ogbonge visitor when not join us to follow us discuss this matter. In a person when we say when it come to issue of say that they carry Nigerian matter for head, he carry am for head past anybody. And they talk of no other than Barrister Sunday Odunton. And Barrister Sunday Odunton, now the Executive Director, Research and Advocacy, Association of Nigerian Electricity Distributors, ANED. Barrister, welcome to As It Dey Hot.
Good morning.
Barrister,
good morning, Nigerians. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Barrister, we get one particular tradition we always do on top of As It Dey Hot. We dey shake the hand of our visitors then because the matter they really hot well. So that when we start the discussion, it no go be like saying a quarrel with a quarrel. So you go just collect.
Good morning.
Your answer be like
No,
labor.
Power sector now. You need
Okay,
to
power. People we don't touch live wire. Touch live. Okay, Barrister. Make we no waste time. Make we just go straight into the discussion. First and foremost, make we establish them like this. Nigeria Labour Congress, to the best of our knowledge, the one when we say Ayuba Waba the lead, they don't talk say today May 18th. Say in order to force the government to revert back to the 86.50 kobo, they go embark on strike. When they talk say make every Nigerian worker and every Nigerian in general make them support them. But government come out to talk say them and Comrade Joe Ajero, when they lead another faction in quote of the NLC, they don't enter into agreement. They don't map out plan for 2 weeks. Say this also thing when they go do so that people no go to suffer too much on top of this situation. You, especially when we say when it come to advocacy, labor things, you self sabi the information well. What do you think of this whole situation? To strike or not to strike?
And for Nigerian people, and my own take is that we should not strike.
You say
Pointless. It is pointless. It doesn't help the country.
Augustin the Novex, so you go need to at least bring the English down small so that.
Me are no good for.
Anyway, if you speak, just try.
Just join them together. Join them together.
My own thing be say all the labor now we then they make. Now wayo. Now wayo, see wayo. The thing where they call NLC or TUC now wayo people did there. In the days of Baba Azan Sumono, that one a proper NLC. After that, some other proper. Up to one time like that.
Comrade governor.
When one comrade
governor
come get one big house for Abuja, that one am our youth, you know. Comrade governor still do better self than this one that are there. For me, Nigeria should come first. If you love Nigeria, we have to look at it and say, okay, why are we removing subsidy? We are removing subsidy because some people they eat for that subsidy. Some people have stolen billions
from that
over
subsidy.
time. The only thing I don't like about the federal government now, we say by now, some people they are supposed to be in jail. If they jail people who stole money from subsidy, go back and watch what former CBN governor, now His Eminence the Emir of Kano, what he said one time. Okojo did there. Desian did there. Comrade governor did there on that same stage. If you go and Google the thing, he did there on channels. When he said, they will say they were bringing petrol, and they will sign some documents. They will not offload any petrol. They will take it to Benin Republic, Cameroon, and then they will collect billions. Some people, they will bribe people, and then they will sign it as if they
collect
look,
the whole thing.
we should let the whole thing flow freely. There's no need for subsidy. What we should do is to speed up construction, building of refineries in this country. If we have refinery like the one Dangote is trying to do now, that will bring the whole thing down, and that will help the nation. But if, to say we dey talk of free money, now cheap you go find there. Nigeria, they greedy too much. Nigerians will be greedy, gone. An average Nigerian is a greedy person. So, for me, this one, we should show understanding with federal government. What we should be talking about is what are the palliative measures? What are the things where government will do, which will make the thing better? To me, that should be our focus.
But
to go on strike and say you want to shut down Nigeria. If you shut down Nigeria, why you no go suffer for Asho Rock? The governor no go suffer. Somebody no go suffer for government house. Now, lepo for sure they go suffer.
But then, Barrister, may I bring her from this angle? And you say something about palliative measures. And then for government to at least put up these measures on ground. And measures will be so ordinary, they know they're supposed to put them on ground. But somehow, some of my just they deviate from as a result of some of the games where they play inside. Okay. NLC in this case, because I will still bring her back to you, I will still relate her with this NLC. NLC in this case, normally it's supposed to be a body will say, at least if government knows they get it right, they come and contact say, government, may not get it right. But if when they get issue internally for NLC, who Nigeria will go hold on to, we go help them fight their own rights. If NLC will be supposed to lead the fight, no make themselves available.
Now, my own thing be say, when you look at NLC, begin to look at NLC from the time where they wanted to do the election, some months ago, last year. In NLC, during their own election, there was a rigging. And they fought. Yes. They were beating each other. That tell you, say, there's nothing about Nigeria there. They are not fighting for Nigerian workers. They are fighting for their own pocket. Both factions. Each of the factions want to be the leader. Why?
Because
if you want to serve, and the service is selfless, and it's not about money, then anybody will win an election.
You go accept them like that.
The truth is that the Ayuba no one leave the place. Ajero won't come inside. And they were fighting. So the same people cannot now come forward and say, we are the one leading Nigerian workers. We are the one doing things for Nigerian workers. Go and look at their lifestyle. Go and check their assets all over the country. When they call somebody labor leader,
and labor leader know they suffer. Labor leader when they drive
labor leader know they suffer. Labor leader know they ride Riketi car. Now, Baba Sumoni in those days they ride Riketi 544. This labor leader for this time, now Jeep that they ride. Go check their account now. So when they talk of labor leader, I beg, what we should be talking about is what can the government do as a palliative measure to help the country.
As one, they make we come move this talk, go forward now. What can the government do? We don't see the position of, say, Comrade Joe Ajero people, they talk, say, that they follow government discuss palliatives. TUC, they talk, say, that they follow government discuss palliatives. But Comrade Ayuba Waba, they say, make them revert first before they go even discuss anything. Make we can't discuss this issue of palliatives. In the first place, the palliatives they did here to cushion the effect of whatever suffering where the people go experience. Now, this government talks, say, inside the 2016 budget, they get 500 billion, half a trillion naira for the poorest poor. Any government will recognize say people they suffer, and the government won't do its best to alleviate the suffering of the people. That government when they try. But if we check them, 86 naira 50 kobo to 145 naira, and you admit say poorest per day when you want give 500 billion before you give them that 500 billion
you want first collect from them somehow.
You don't go add money to fuel because everything for this country you be a distributor una know say for this country now e be like say na only son na him we dey pay for now because e get some place wey NEPA go carry when this disco people go carry ladder go. They go pursue them, say, wetin una wan come court because we not even
light in the first
some children don't even know, say, na light they come out from bulb. They think say na decoration for house. So, why e be say before you put these things in place, you say 350 billion naira a day to stimulate the economy, 200 billion. You mention all these things, but why e be say you no put them first? Make people begin to see, okay, oh, see how we go balance. Because now here we where we hear say they buy 36 motor, senators them at the rate of 36.5 million naira. Now here we hear say allowance of newspaper for ministers that 25,000 naira.
When pass just newspaper allowance. When pass minimum wage of ordinary worker.
How you go take convince the ordinary Nigerian now?
Say true. Say that thing, that particular 500 billion this thing where you don't allocate to them.
Say you go get your hand.
On top,
make I also add this one. When we say back to back. From 1999, every government will don't
they make promises.
Now sweet mouth.
Similar promises.
Now they use. Why this government they different? Now you go answer the question because at the first I carry my flag.
Me I no be politician, and me I no dey for government. But the thing wey me I know be say all of us, government people, let us be sincere with ourselves.
Okay.
Number one, let us go back to basic. What do I mean by that? The cost of governance in this country is too high.
Thank you very much. Nkubi, take note.
So,
no, tell your people.
No.
Tell your people.
You have your pen. You take
tell
note.
Your people.
You tell your people. Tell my people here.
Okay.
Respect yourself. Just respect yourself.
You tell your people you tell
Thank you very
I'm
much.
a comrade.
I'm
a comrade.
If you are a comrade, then you must be wayo person.
No,
Thank you very much.
No, Nigerian
Comrade,
comrade.
you have said it all. I mean, barrister.
When they
you have said it
call
all.
anybody comrade for this country now,
No.
I go look at their face
Chukudi,
twice.
in fact,
Comrade of the Nigerian people.
No, you're a wayo person.
Nigerian people know one comrade.
You're a wayo person.
Nigerian people know they look for comrade. Nigerian people know they suffer for comrade. What Nigerian people want is sincerity.
I'm a sincere comrade.
There are comrades in Senate.
Chukudi.
Comrade Dino Melaye is a comrade.
No, he's not one of us. We don't. He's not in our register.
But he's a comrade.
No, he's a comrade by title.
In the same line. In the
Not
same
by
line.
action.
What we should do, for me, all these aluta, na money they talk. What we should do is to say the cost of governance is too much. Let us start with the governors. Every state in Nigeria, every governor have one jeep will be bulletproof. The cost is not less than 40 million. And some cases they have more than 4 or 5, some 2. The poorest state in Nigeria, I think is Ekiti or one of them, or it is one of the poorest states in Nigeria. If you go there,
Governor, they drive jeep, we get bulletproof.
you will still see bulletproof.
You see how?
For Lagos, there.
You see, no.
Now, we should first of all reduce the cost of governance.
Thank you very
That's
much.
Number one.
Thank you.
Number two, the Senate and the House of Rep, we should go back and look at the thing.
Thank you.
Are they not too many?
Thank you.
Can we maintain the bicameral? Can we not just have one, just the Senate alone, or the House of Rep alone, and we scrap one, go back to the Constitution? And the one that we have, or even if we are going to retain the two, why can't we make them part-time? Part-time
When we
Senate.
say enter way
So that somebody will be former governor. Then
You know, go there, go retire. Thank you very much.
And you give him allowance.
Thank you very much.
We know them. Good brain, first-class people. But if they want contest election now, they'll be contesting with touts. Because the money is there. If there's no money there to make,
They're not going to even come out in the first place.
Go to the National Assembly. So number one problem of Nigeria is National Assembly, where they make laws. If we clean National Assembly, then we go back. Governors. Governors for every state, they are like emperors. They are like slave traders and slave drivers. Because they are the one that determine everything. The person who won't go House of Assembly, governor must have hand in it. Won't go House of Rep, governor
You want to become minister.
If governor don't like you, you cannot go to Senate.
You want to become minister. Governor will get
we
hand.
should reduce the cost of governance. We should make whether State House of Assembly or National Assembly a place where remuneration will be based on attendance and it's very small. Like for instance, if they say senator every month, all they give you remuneration, all you get
85,000 naira.
no, let's say 500,000 naira.
500,000 too much now.
Oh,
It's too
so
much.
you want to compare that with about 5 billion?
No, if we check 500,000, can't check minimum wage of 18,000.
No, if you start giving them 500,000 naira as monthly allowance in the Senate, number one, only good people will go there. Only those people who have achieved, who love Nigeria will go there.
Yes.
No thug will go there. No bad person will go there. Number two, there will be enough money left. The money that they shop now, you can now convert that money to increase minimum wage. When people are talking about increasing minimum wage, you are also not talking about how would the government get the money.
Okay.
So you have to, people talk as if federal government just put money somewhere, but I will just put one.
They bring out the money they didn't.
No, Nigerian government is broke.
Okay.
The earlier we all agree, the better.
Barrister, you don't talk something very, very important. Nigerian government is broke.
You don't broke.
And we not
the
say
people who left, they don't finish the money.
we not say Nigerian government.
Now nobody dey talk about that now.
We not say Nigerian
Buhari
government
perform
dey broke.
magic. How much
Barrister.
did Buhari make for treasury?
We not say Nigerian government broke, barrister. And we also know say yes, these same leaders where they come, where don't come in now, our House of Rep has not say Nigerian government broke. The federal, this thing also this thing, our Oga Buhari knows the Nigerian government broke. Okay, we know all these things, and you can't talk about cost of governors, say they're too high. Okay, no bring it like this. If we know say yes, we know get money, and also realize say our cost of governors they very high.
Thank you.
And we don't also see moves where somehow the body language of our president don't show say make we cut costs. But of course we get some people from inside the Senate and there. Because I know one typical senator talk say, so to run governors, say they need money to do it, to run them, one particular senator. Okay, we can't get this way, so they hinder the handwork of the executive and this thing. How you say this thing go fit achieve? Because now then they approve law, now then they go also see what thing go happen. How you say go happen?
That's
but before
what
then, before you go answer this question, make we do it. Make we go for this break. When we come back, Barrister go answer the question. Will you come?
Do you want to be on TV? Ever dreamed of being part of a TV show or a game show recording?
Oh, yeah?
Yeah! Well, dream no further. Your opportunity has come. Join the Wazobia TV fun train of TV shows and game shows recordings.
To be part of these events, fill the audience participation form on wazobiatv.tv/register or call these numbers 01-271-4160 or 01-271-4161. Better still, you can also send a mail to bookers@we-tv.tv. It can only be on Wazobia TV.
Yep. I thought she said she wasn't interested.
I know, but a little birdie just said that she'll be here soon. She had another quarrel with Mr. Loverboy.
Okay.
Oh,
beautiful! Oh my God! Oh my God!
And I hate your attitude sometimes. If I live in the same house with you, I'll be tempted to kill you.
Sophie?
I don't know. I'll just have to think about it.
What are you thinking about?
Yes, welcome back. The program now today hot, and we'll get August Sunday Odoton for Inside House. So August Sunday na Barrister. And we'll also address the matter where they on right now, where they play out now right now. The strike action, strike or no strike, who will go hold on to fight for our right? I'll be asking August Sunday one question. Say, okay, we don't see the issue of say cost of governance. Cost of governance. Okay, but before then, we'll do it in. Make we quickly go for another quick break. Because we get one technical issue we need to address. Will they come back?
To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love her.